In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to end a Google Meet so people can't rejoin. Google Meet has become an essential tool for virtual meetings, whether it's for business, education, or casual catch-ups. However, what do you do when you want to ensure that once the meeting is over, participants can't just jump back into the same link? Well, Google has made this process straightforward, and I'm here to walk you through it. First, let's talk about why you might want to utilize this feature. Ending a Google Meet so that participants can't rejoin is crucial for maintaining privacy and security, especially in professional or educational settings. Once you've decided that the meeting is indeed over and you want to prevent any surprise drop-ins, the key is to click the End Call for Everyone option. This option is conveniently located within the meeting window, and it's designed to not only end the call but also to ensure that the meeting link becomes inactive. Once you've clicked that End Call for Everyone button, what happens next is that the meeting link itself is deactivated. This means that anyone attempting to rejoin the meeting by clicking that same link will find it no longer works. It's a clean and effective way to ensure that your meeting concludes without loose ends, giving you peace of mind regarding unintended re-entries. Now, before you actually go ahead and end the call, there's a little housekeeping to consider. It's always a good idea to quickly check the participant list and ensure that everyone who is supposed to leave has indeed done so. Seeing everyone out before ending the call guarantees that nobody is in the middle of an important discussion or presentation. It also shows good virtual etiquette, reflecting courtesy and professionalism. Remember, once you've activated that end call feature for everyone, there's no going back, so make sure you're ready to wrap things up completely. Following these steps will help you manage your Google Meet sessions more effectively, ensuring that they end smoothly and securely. I hope this guide has been helpful and that you feel more confident in controlling your virtual meetings. In today's digital age, small actions like these can make a significant difference in how we conduct our online interactions. Enjoy the increased security and ease of managing your Google Meet calls, and thanks for joining me today.